Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make the Jenga game. Let's get into it. Oh man. Before we start building, I'm going to go over the dimensions of the Jenga blocks real quick in case you want to build your own. The original Jenga blocks measured 1.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Now, if you want to build your own set and you want to make your own dimensions, an easy way to figure this out is you want your length to be 3 times the width, and then you want the height to be 1/5 of the length. So once you figure out what width you want your blocks to be, the rest of it pretty much falls into place. And if you want to take something that's pretty cut and dry and make it super complicated, then you can try converting those centimeters into inches like I did. 0.6 inches? What the heck? For my Jenga set, I'm using some poplar that I had in the shop. Let's get into a little history about Jenga. This game was created by an English woman named Leslie Scott in the 1970s. She played it with her friends and family using children's building blocks, and actually didn't become known to the world until she brought it to a toy fair in 1983, where it was quickly picked up by none other than Canada. It was picked up by Canada. It was a while later before it was picked up by a little toy company named Milt Bradley and became the world-renowned game that we know today, selling over 90 million copies. The word Jenga actually comes from the Swahili language, and it means to build. Now you might ask yourself, how did an English woman come up with a Swahili word to name her building blocks game? Well, the answer is that Leslie Scott was born in Tanganyika and was raised speaking both English and Swahili. Yeah, that's right. She's one of those smart people that makes the rest of us look pretty bad. Cutting the blocks only took about 10 minutes, but the sanding, so much sanding. Christina and I thought it would be pretty cool to use a couple different finishes on these blocks. So we used a couple different color stains, and then we coated them all with a couple coats of polyurethane, making sure to sand in between each coat. Alright, our Jenga set is finished, and now it's time to play. Alright, are you ready for this? I was born ready. I could do this all day. Alright, well I'm going first. Wait, why do you get to go first? Because I'm you think just because you build it, we have to do what you say, like you're in charge or something? I get so sick of this. We always have to do it your way. You know what? Work and everything, and you just stand here and... Losers have to clean up. Friendship over! Just a few points I wanted to make about this project. Number one, I'm really glad we decided to stain the blocks 3 different colors. It really adds some variety and it makes the game our own. As far as the woodworking project goes, it's very simple, easy, straightforward, and something that's great for a family project. But if you wanted to try to batch these out for, let's say, Etsy or a craft fair or something, it's not a project I would pick, because the sanding and the staining and the polyurethane of all 54 blocks just takes forever. I don't think it would be worth it. But all in all, I'm happy with how this turned out. It was a lot of fun, and we're really gonna enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We have lots of other projects on our channel, so make sure to check those out, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we would love to know what you thought of this project down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe, and have a great day.